Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Hi guys, good morning. I think you can see right behind me is my box camera on my bicycle again. Yes, today I'm going to take a ride to another spot, some 15 to 20 minutes right away. It is a local spot, not very well known among the tourists, but I think the local know it very well, especially if they drive past the highway. So come along with me as we go to this dragon fountain. Let's go. Alright, we have reached the Whampoa Dragon fountain. Right, it used to be a fountain, but this day, as you can see, it's all filled up with sand. So no longer is there any water running here. I've taken the shot, so I'm going to process it inside the box. I will develop it in the UFOD multi-grade developer for 1 minute and then fix it for a minute or so before I open up the box to take a look. Alright, so here are the results. Okay, the first one, I exposed it at f18, 3 seconds, obviously very overexposed. The subsequent one, I play with the exposure to f22 and at half a second at 1 second. The results are much better. We can see the highlight and shadow. Right? The only thing that I couldn't figure out yet is this spot here. Seems to be a light leak here. I have to troubleshoot. Initially I thought it's the side cover that's causing a light leak, so I cover it with a dark cloth. So, but I still see the leak there. So anyway, that's not a big issue. Should be easily traceable. Hi guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please like it, share it, and finally do subscribe to my channel, and I see you at my next video. Take care. Bye.